Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Netflix notification on your Android TV. So you want to go ahead and go to the quick settings at the top on your TV. Then from here, click on all settings and you want to scroll down to apps. Once you're on apps, click on apps and you'll find Netflix, right? You can click on see all apps or you will be able to find the apps right there. If you're not finding Netflix right here, what you will do is click on see all apps and you'll be able to find the apps, right? So for in this case, I'll go to Netflix.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
Go over to the right side, scroll down, and you will be able to see the notifications right here. You can click on it to toggle it on, and that's it.